Hi, welcome to Felt and Yarn. Here is a quick demo of how easily you can place an order from our website. First, type in the website address. You'll now land on our homepage. The categories are well organized, where you can easily navigate to the items you're interested in. For specific items, use the search tool to save your time. Okay, let's buy some felt balls. Those come really handy in any craft projects. We have different sizes of felt balls. Choose the one you want. 2 cm felt balls are great for making garlands, so let's buy that. If you're unsure, then check the photos. We have a feature where you can zoom in on the photos to see every detail. Well, the quality seems impeccable. For the packages, we have a big selection of packages to choose from 100 to 10,000. I like to purchase 10,000 pieces of felt balls. The prices are very reasonable. Get the best product in wholesale pricing. And what's even better? Free shipping! Oh yeah! We have 100 color range. We are one of the few companies who offer you such a big color range. You can choose your colors from here. So I like to purchase 1,000 pieces of white, 1,000 pieces of pink, and so on. As you can see at the bottom of the page, you can see the overview of how many balls you have chosen and how many more you need. So I have chosen 7,000 pieces. I need to add 3,000 pieces more. So I'm gonna add 2,000 pieces of spring and 1,000 pieces of violet. Our AI will make sure that you won't be able to add it to the cart if the quantity is less or more than the chosen package. So if I decrease my quantity here, the AI won't let me add it to the cart. So if I go further beyond, the AI won't let me to add this to my cart. In the overview, it says please decrease 9,000 pieces. So I'll decrease it. So I'll add this to my cart. The product has been successfully added to my cart and the total is $8.29. So let's shop even more. I like to purchase something for my cat as well. Go to pet products for cats, cat house. We offer a variety of cat caves as well. So pick the one you like. Oh, I like this one. This seems nice. The color is nice as well. And I like the quality. As for the details, cat cave can fit up to 24 lbs of cat. Also, other details are given below. I have 3 cats, so I need to purchase 3 cat caves. So I need to add this to my cart. Oh, I like this one. This color looks great. Goes with my room as well. So I'm gonna buy this. So hit add to cart and proceed to checkout. The details are listed below. Before checking out, we also provide a special 5% discount for the first time purchase. Just use the code 5OFFREGORDER and add. Please note that this is a one-time use and it will be only applicable for the first purchase. In case you have chosen products from sale, the discount will be already applied and you do not need to add any further codes. Make sure the vouchers and codes you have chosen have not expired. In case of any issue, feel free to contact our sales representative. We are more than happy to help you. So let's proceed to checking out. Fill up the personal information. It's quite straightforward. Instead of continuously having to fill up the form, you can just create your account for a hassle-free shopping experience. Don't forget to check the terms and conditions. Now, continuing, For the next form, fill in your house address. Remember, we only deliver to a physical address, right at your door. We don't take PO box addresses. So please mention the city, street number, zip code, or postal code, and any other mandatory details. Providing your phone number is a compulsion, as it helps in streamlining your shipment. We ensure that your personal information is kept confidential and secure. You can check this box if you want to use this address for your invoice as well. So moving ahead, you can choose any shipping method you are comfortable with. Both of our shipments are swift and we try our best to provide secure delivery. So I like to choose Skynet Express. Any further personalization or any message to the company, leave it here. We also gift wrap orders and add a cute eco-friendly card made out of Nepali rice paper, a specially handmade paper only available in Nepal. Choose your payment method you prefer. If you like to pay by bank wire or with PayPal or with debit or credit card. Since this is a high amount, I like to get additional 3% discount. So I like to pay by bank wire. So let's click on the bank details. As you can see, the bank details information are given below. So let's continue. So my order is now confirmed and email has been sent. So I received 2 emails from Felton Yarn about order confirmation and awaiting bank wire payments. Another email is about the pending payment. I can now transfer the money from my account to Felton Yarn's account. My order will be processed as soon as I give them my transfer receipt or copy. I hope this video helps. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us on email, WhatsApp, Viber, Facebook, or Instagram. Happy shopping!